Hagani kejingelang kablalum do ba prestun tunsong ubalong Menteri Ketenat PWD Roads and Buildings lawan Malaysian benta digihe jong ke NHIDCL kihe officer Ketenat PWD bat kiwe-kiwe. Hagaba kletai sani halor kejing tua kabelaja harengan bat kibeladap ru ban itu igi katok ni gejaka kiberanjing ma namar balawan kapor liur. Habai keren begini patai kubor uba prestun tunsong uloong bagiriu syampang jong ke NHIDCL nakalan technical kin seben kreak action plan kumno bania cakmat bat bantau ke kenuhun ke bakerpang na kebenta kidu-kidu gejingja ki bakerki ki bantre kambro ap sokenta. Uba prestun tunsong ule thu bag NHIDCL klepentip bagladap penpenkut no ya kejing ai kontrak ha ke ARSS namar kejing pentre torti kakam kabahap apo ka package 2 ya kejing snai ke surok namaliam shado penursla bypass. Nalor kini uli thu bag jingelang galasyim megarai bag NHIDCL kadiban khot tender biang na kebenta ban pentre ke project kabahap aka package 1 package 4 bat package 5 jong kejing shna ya ke surok Shillong Dauki.
We are having a meeting now. I reviewed the entire project of JICA from Shillong to Dauki. And we also discussed, because there is PIL, against the progress of work of the Shillong Dauki route. Nilai discussed lut na Shillong. Hakaba ka package 1, then ka package 4, package 5, kinya ya ka retendering process nakaliang jongka NHIDCL. Well, I was informed by the NHIDCL that it seems cancellation has already done against this ARSS due to the poor progress of work. So the head office of NHIDCL, they already terminated the contract agreement with the ARSS.
Kani ka package 1 bakon don kani ka retendering kadi na ipot kata.
Kani ka flyover. Kani ka flyover kabon nadu na umserpi. Nadu umserpi full lane hadu ang tay hapo Banyun. Kada waktu ka opposite jong ka PHC Banyun.
Hagawai pekaliang uba prestun tunsong ule thu bagi kali ilayo baniat biang na kajaka keberanjing tua harengan. Bat kikam gijam gidang ya cakamat akaban penkut ikan kejing tua bat onele ban pendap akini ki kendiat sengi banuan. Ule thu bak office jong ke SDO civil kala perking ke jingya ki kali hakapor menmiet. Bala batha ki patba bagi mendai baniat dengan kajaka namar kamlong kebasngan. Nalor kani ule thu bula dat betha ke NHIDCL bahkan penan kamlang ya kiriu syampang jongka Geological Survey of India bat ke IIT Guwahati. Bala dat beruban betha ke NHIDCL bancem ki senja man pentikena bakum kene kejingja kam dei syu banja hadian habut.
Again, we discussed about the landslide prone area where we identified few deplorable one. How to take care of this coming monsoon, because it's so dangerous. So we already discussed all the details. Then the technical people from NHIDCL, they will prepare the plan, the action plan, how to go about it, and how to also make sure that the dedicated team for any emergency work, it has to be there 24/7.